The supply chain has affected the bike industry, and it is evident when I tried to buy a Shimano LO3A bike pad for my bicycle, and I was surprised. The OEM part cost about $85 to $129 a pair. That's absurd. I searched for alternatives and I found this Riderever part, and I ordered it through eBay. When the part arrived, I was, well, disappointed because it doesn't fit my bike. So I had to modify it a little bit. So I went ahead and bought a replacement RS505 brake pad without that fin. And I'm gonna see what will happen if I modify the heatsink. Alright, install this baby here. Replacement for the much sought after RS505, which I cannot find anywhere. The one with fins. But I will modify this and cut out a portion of it so I can install in my brakes. Okay, so we chopped off a little bit of material from the edges, centered it, and hopefully it will fit the brake pad that we have purchased. Okay, let's go ahead and open the brake pad. This is not original Shimano, but I think it will fit. There you go. Okay. And hopefully it will fit this. Yeah, sakto. Perfect. We'll replace it with this. There. Oops. We need to remove more material from this. Okay, we'll scrape it off. We've scraped enough material, I think. I hope this works. I don't know. Not too sure about this. No, I don't think it will fit. No, I don't think so. Wait. Let's open up the rotor. I mean the caliper. I think it's open enough. Whoa! Pwede na.